Hi, Mark here, Wednesday, September the 3rd, 11 a.m. Eastern. Let's have a look at the US dollar and its performance today. US dollar started out strong, looks like has turned around from dollar strength to dollar weakness. You can see on the index, I've got resistance at 98.17. I've got support at 97.56. Red candlestick selling US dollar. If I zoom in on the hourly, you can see the support at 97.56, the target that sellers will be looking at through the afternoon portion of the US session. Let's have a look at the majors. I'm starting on the Euro US. I'm on the daily. And there you see some US dollar strength to start. That's been turned around, and now you see buying euro, selling US dollar weakness. I've got support at 116.06 and resistance at 116.81. If I have a look at the hourly, there you can see buyers looking to test this resistance level at 116.81 to test, possibly break higher, whereas sellers of euro, buyers of the US, if the US is able to make a comeback and turn things around, it would be of this area that would see a turnaround, and sellers look down at the 116.06 support level. Let's have a look at the pound. Again, there's the green candlestick that's buying pound, selling US dollar. Initially, US dollar strength, uh, selling pound, buying US, and support at 133.31 has been turned around, and now buying pound, selling US dollar from strong dollar to weak dollar, and resistance at 134.47. If I go to the hourly, there you'll see the strong turnaround. Buyers of pound, sellers of US dollar looking to test the 134.47 resistance level. Let's have a look at the US yen. Again, strong US dollar to start. You can see the wicket left behind at 149.19 is resistance. However, a turnaround now selling US dollar, buying yen, and support being tested at 148.05. If I go to the hourly, there you can see sellers looking to retest this support level. If US buyers are going to step in again, and from weak US dollar to strong US dollar, they would look for a bounce up off here and back up at resistance at 149.19. Let's have a look at the US Canadian. That's the daily chart. US dollar strength to start again. You can see resistance 138.08. Sellers stepped in. That's selling US dollar, buying Canadian, and that support level of 137.83 is the level that sellers will be looking at. If I zoom in on the hourly, there you can see selling US dollar, buying Canadian, sellers looking to test the 137.83 level. So strong US dollar to start. That has been turned around now that the US session is well underway. From strong US dollar to weak US dollar, we'll see whether that can be maintained. We do have resistance, support levels to work with. I'll see you at the end of the day. Good trading.